If every decision feels heavy, if you replay conversations in your head, if you constantly ask, what if I'm wrong? Or did I say the right thing? Then here's the truth bomb for you. You don't have a decision-making problem. You have a bandwidth problem. And I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you how to fix it, and fast. I used to overthink everything, every meeting, every email, every stinking tiny choice. Man, my brain was doing what your brain is doing right now, trying to protect every outcome so nothing goes wrong. Felt, it felt like more responsibilities I had, the more I had to control. But something happened. One day a mentor told me, overthinking is not the fear of being wrong. It's the fear of not recognizing if you are wrong. And that was kind of a breakthrough for me. Overthinking isn't a lack of confidence, it's a lack of internal safety. The moment I started applying principles from the MindFlow cycle to decision making, everything changed. My energy came back, my confidence returned, and decisions became simple again. Today, I'll show you the same 3 steps that I took that helped me and are helping our clients today. Number 1, you have to shrink the decision. Expand the recovery. Man, most overthinkers ask, what's the perfect choice? And that's the wrong question. Ask this instead. Can I recover from this if it's not perfect? The answer is almost always yes. This resets your nervous system and shifts you into clarity. Tip number 2, just give yourself a decision deadline. Your brain can think forever if you let it. So try this. Set a 60-second timer for small decisions. Set a 5-minute timer for medium ones. And maybe set a 24-hour boundary for those big, hairy, honking decisions. This trains your brain to move forward instead of looping. Decision making, man, it's muscle, not a miracle. Tip 3, use the present you, future you test. Okay, what does that mean? Well, ask which decision gives future me less stress, even if present me feels uncomfortable. See, overthinking wants comfort, right? Leadership wants clarity. Choose the decision that reduces future friction, not the present fear. All right. This one question can eliminate up to 80% of indecision. Now, if this resonated with you and you want the exact framework that helps leaders make confident decisions without spiraling into stress loops, just comment clarity. And what I'll do, I'll send you the link and you can get my decision confidence reset for free. It's the same tool I use inside the MindFlow cycle to rebuild mental clarity and momentum with our clients. So, as always, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share this video, comment. I read all the comments, and stay strong. Okay? Stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.